Hey there, today on HISD Now, more from HISD 2026, The Future is Now. Hear from HISD's Deputy Chief for College Career and Military Readiness and what he says a report is saying about future careers for HISD students. Plus, campus close-up at Westside High School, including a look inside a collaborative classroom where students are learning and dancing. Plus, reminders on pre-K, school choice, and a student art contest. And thank you for clicking today's video. It is Thursday, January 29th.
I read a report not too long ago where it said that students will have 3 to 5 careers over the next 20 to 30 years. So our current high school students, not only will they be changing jobs, but they'll be changing careers. And so really making sure that we prepare students for a world where they have skill sets, durable skills, and ability to think and critically think. That's the way we're going to make sure that our students prepare for a future world, by moving them that way and having them prepared and having them to have the skill set that they can look for the future for whatever they're trying to do.
That's Daniel Gray, HISD's Deputy Chief for College Career and Military Readiness. And he's talking about how HISD is modernizing programs so students are better prepared for future careers. This work is part of the priorities we recently highlighted in our video series, HISD 2026, The Future is Now. The series takes a closer look at how we're moving forward, building academic gains, and continuing to make meaningful improvements for students. Now, I've already sat down with Chief Academic Officer Kristen Hull and Superintendent Mike Miles to talk about some of this. And all of those conversations are available in this playlist on the channel called HISD 2026, The Future is Now. I'm also dropping a link right below. And in the coming weeks, I'll be sharing more conversations with other district leaders in that same playlist. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what's coming next. Now let's head to Campus Close-Up. This week, I'm at Westside High School. Now, Westside is a magnet campus offering dual credit, early college, and a wide range of academic pathways, all designed to prepare students for college, careers, and more. And one of those programs is the focus of a news story that we just posted. Westside High School offers a wide range of classes designed to help students explore interests and prepare them for what's next. It's all about Westside's audio and video production class. I spoke with the AV teacher, got a look inside at their workspace, and saw how students are building skills that'll apply to so many future careers. We're also hearing from a student who plans to pursue this field after high school. Now, you should see a title banner pop up right now on the top right-hand corner of your screen. Click it to watch the story. It's also up on Facebook and on Instagram. Parents and families, don't forget the pre-K application window is open until April 17th. Go to schoolchoice.houstonisd.org to fill out that application. Everything you need is on there, including information about our schools, programs, the school choice process, and much more. And for parents with older students, that school choice phase 1 application window closes on February 27th. The other important dates that you should know about are on your screen right now. Also, don't forget, we have a school choice fair coming up next weekend on Saturday, February 7th. The time and location is on your screen. HISD is also hiring. We're hosting a teacher hiring event next week at the Sam Houston MSTC. Everything you need is on your screen. Now scan that QR code right there to register, or you can get that link and the others right below in the video description. Also, teachers, don't forget to check your Parent Square today. You should have received a link for the Youth Art for the Green Corridor Art Contest. You have until February 10th to submit any student artwork. Now, this art contest is tied to this year's FIFA World Cup, which is happening right here in Houston. They'll be selecting up to 15 schools to create art pieces that are going to be displayed around the city during the World Cup. And that's it for today on HISD Now. As always, thank you for connecting with us right here. Also, parents, in case you weren't aware, some colder weather is moving back in tomorrow, so make sure you and your child are dressed for the weather. Have a great evening, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow.